In this presentation, I'm going to share with you how to effectively use affirmations to change your life. Affirmations have a tremendous impact on your life when they are used correctly. There are many different ways that you can use your statements to change your life. Here are just a few methods that can help you effectively use your affirmations and change your life. Meditation with your affirmations. If you want to have a powerful experience with your affirmations, then you should consider pairing them with your daily meditation practice. Find a quiet place to sit and close your eyes. Put on some soothing music and focus your attention on your affirmations. In the relaxed state of meditation, your subconscious mind is more open to the positive directions that your statements are providing. You'll be able to enter into a deeply relaxing state of mind that will allow your subconscious mind to absorb the affirmations more easily. Relaxing with your affirmations. This is one of the most popular ways to practice your affirmations. All you need to do is lie down where you're comfortable and let your statements roll through your mind. Many people like to do this at night as they are falling asleep, which is why affirmation recordings have become so popular in recent years. Affirmation recordings make the entire process relatively effortless. When you are in a dreamy state of relaxation, your subconscious mind opens up and absorbs and assimilates your affirmations at a deep level. Active visualization with your affirmations. Using dynamic visualization while you are reciting your affirmations is a compelling technique. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. As you repeat your affirmations, visualize yourself vividly experiencing them. Make sure you make a conscious effort to really feel all aspects of them. You want to be actively involved in the experience. While this method might seem a bit odd, it is extremely powerful because it engages all of your senses. Incorporating one of these techniques into your daily affirmation practice can make them more powerful and allow you to see changes in your life more quickly. Try one or all of these methods and see how dramatically your life will change.